Hi, everyone. My name is Nicole Reddy. I am about to finish my first year in our social work program. I am studying from Philadelphia. I currently work for an agency that is contracted through the Department of Human Services in Philadelphia County. So I service, it's like the children and youth services, children that are in foster care, families that require in-home services, families that are coming through the court system with DHS involvement. Um, I actually really love what I do, and that's why I came to take the social work program just to further my knowledge, further my practice, further my skills. And I've actually really been enjoying it so far. So the three assets that I think that I can bring to this class and that can help with myself and my classmates is that um, I am relatable. So I think that this is important because it helps you to understand the thought processes of both the worker and the client. And I think that that's important because you're able to have them see it from your side of view, or at least attempt. And then you're able to also see it from their point of view so that you can better figure out how to service them. Um, I am a team player, so I work very well on teams. I'm very good with um, splitting responsibilities and requirements amongst team members. I'm good with supporting my team members. That's actually a very big part of what I do in my job now. And I think the third one is that I'm resourceful. I know how to look into my community. I know how to look into the strengths and assets of others to help better serve the clients that I have. And I think that that's extremely important. So I look forward to watching everyone else's videos and working with everyone throughout the semester. Thank you.